Hi, I'm Benabel Wen, and I'm the creator of the Spirit Keepers Tarot. This is a hand-drawn tarot deck done in pen and ink by me. I drew the whole thing. I wrote the guidebook, like, this is all me. I'm not a professional illustrator or artist. In fact, I'm a lawyer. I practice intellectual property law, corporate law, and work in venture capital, both in California and New York. You may or may not know me by my first book, Holistic Tarot. I also published a second book, The Tao of Craft. Both are by North Atlantic Books. Spirit Keepers Tarot, however, is self-published. Everything about it had to be handcrafted, and I really wanted to keep that artisanal atmosphere around this deck. Your deck comes anointed with a holy oil I craft myself, and I don't use manufactured essential oils. I make the macerated oils myself. The carrier and olive oil is from Athens, Greece. Tears of myrrh resin and Ceylon cinnamon come from Istanbul, Turkey. Cassia cinnamon is from Taiwan, and the sun-dried lemongrass is local, right here in the San Francisco Bay Area of Northern California. I'll link a video for the crafting process for the oil in the video description box. The video series is intended to be practical and to get you quickly up to speed on how to operate your SKT deck because the structure is a bit different from what you might be used to. I've changed a lot of the card titles and also repurposed some of the keys, so the way you would read it is going to be a little different from how you would read other tarot decks. The Medium White Book, a practical guidebook to all card meanings, is a totally free public download, or you can order a print copy for under $10. Be sure to have this book on hand during the videos because I'll be referring to it. So the Spirit Keepers Tarot is my personal reconciliation of the Rider-Waite-Smith and the Thoth decks. On the surface, structurally, and even in most of the illustrations, this deck is going to resemble the Rider-Waite-Smith more. But below that surface, what may not be as visible but will definitely be part of the psychic imprint you get from the cards, this deck operates and handles more like Crowley's Thoth. So you know how you might physically resemble one parent over the other, but then have the other parent's personality? Like for me, I basically look like a younger version of my mom, but my personality and philosophy of life is more like my dad's. Similarly, the SKT deck physically looks more like the Rider-Waite-Smith, but in terms of its inner psyche, personality, and character, it's more like Crowley's Thoth. Okay, so in terms of reading assignments, yeah, you're getting those. At this time, please read the introduction, the Vitruvian edition, or if you're working from the first edition medium white book, then the first edition chapter, and at the back of the book, the tarot system equivalence reference tables.